Hey, happy Friday, everybody. Sean coming at you from HighLevel. So we have launched this awesome new feature in the mobile app. That's right. Insights is now dashboards on the mobile app. So if you go in and you check this out, basically every dashboard you've built in the web is now on your mobile app. The full set, not a slam down version, pipelines, deals, conversions, campaigns, team activity, and everything between lives in your pocket. I've checked this out this morning on our app. It is awesome. You get all the numbers and all the details that you would imagine, and you get all that reporting right there on the go in the mobile app. This is a huge upgrade in my opinion. I think they've done such a great job with this. Obviously, they'll continue to improve as they always do, but man, the stuff that is there right now, you can just take all that reporting that you're already using on the desktop and just make it available. And again, what's cool, look at this, total calls, you can see all the AI rundowns on it and everything else right there in the mobile app. You just are able to get to all the data that you want to get to without having to log back into the mobile app. So I just am super impressed with this team. I mean, if you just look at these screenshots here, I think the reporting capabilities are awesome. And the fact that it spans across all the different products, all in the same spot, very, very cool. Make sure you have version 4.14.1. And of course, it's currently in labs, but it is being rolled out to everybody. And it is available in both the HighLevel, LeadConnector, and of course HighLevel. As always, you have to ask for the update, but it will be in that update as well. So huge props to the team for making this happen. I hope all of you love it as much as I do. I hope you're having a great Friday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.